Hello! TeamDrive offers a clear view of the latest activities. With this feature, you have another possibility to quickly get compact information about changes in one of your spaces. On the main screen of the application, you can see whether and which new files you have received. In the settings under Advanced, you can choose whether or not to display the settings grouping, and whether or not to hide files from the history if you have already viewed them. For example, in the Spaces settings, you can choose to have all activities in your spaces displayed as an orange circle, or only when something changes in your files. The information about changed files is particularly interesting for users who have no administrative responsibilities, as they do not need to see a complete list of all changes. With this way, you can reduce the orange status messages to a minimum.